The good thing is, this year we had the second highest level of entries ever. Added to that is that we had also some superbly high quality entries. And what I have noticed is that the increasing level of attention to detail that is going into the packaging designs. And it is very impressive the way things are being done, the innovation that is being considered. And the judges found it equally hard to come to their conclusions. And there was a lot of heavy debate about, which is the winner, which is the shortlist, which one would become the most innovative. In fact, we had several candidates for most innovative carton of the year, the category winners. So all in all, it was a very difficult job. The judges were able to bring different qualities and different attributes to the judging, and that was from a retail standpoint, from a manufacturing standpoint, from a consumer standpoint, from a design standpoint. And looking at the entries from different areas and different expertise, we were able to come to a more conclusive discussion about which designs and which packaging to take forward. As you would expect, we are looking at other ways of evolving the competition, maybe introducing another category as well. And this is an ongoing debate because next year, I hope, we have even more entries. Let's hope.